The year 2020 has presented many challenges for entrepreneurs in the entrepreneurial space. Entrepreneurs should be more active to face the challenges and to succeed. They should think wisely and focus on the right things to remain the same in the market. Entrepreneurs should not neglect even a small business aspect to achieve their goals in this pandemic situation. Here are the things that every entrepreneur should not do in the year 2021. 1. Don't lose your focus. Don't forget why you have stepped into business. If you forget, you are well on the path to failure. Consider some instances like not caring for the customers, not addressing them with their concerns and needs from a product or service. Focus on the fact that your customer always needs your products and services which you develop. Reach out to your customers continuously and know whether you are on the right track. 2. Leadership failure. A leader of an organization comes with numerous ideas and concepts for sales, marketing, operations, and personal management. If you make a wrong decision, it impacts your business and will result in a bad outcome. So, take your time to create value for your leadership in 2021. 3. Neglecting employees. As a leader of an organization, make sure your employees are happy and satisfied. If your employees are not satisfied, then they may not serve your clients diligently. A successful organization needs to work on the inside and internal structure before generating revenue and achieving your big goals. 4. Not collaborating with partners. Successful organizations always intend to find out the opportunities to work with others. A great leader can understand what winning is when it comes to collaboration. Find out 10 partnership opportunities with potential partners and work on the things slowly to start with. Remember, consistency is the main thing to win the game. 5. Don't build walls. Make sure you tear down and not build walls with your stakeholders. It may be of competition, industry organization, associations, media or other organizations. So, take the initiative and tear down the walls. Also, help others to connect and build a better industry. Be an inspiring person for others whom they can ask for help as they trust you understand and tear down the walls that limits opportunities. 6. Neglecting clients. Don't neglect or ignore your customers. Sometimes, many organizations concentrate on internal things happening inside the organization. They mainly focus on the products they build and how the process is going on. They think beyond what is actually needed. This leads to negligence and they will not be able to pay attention to customers' invoice and customer needs. It leads to a reduction in revenue and organization growth. 7. Lack of focus on accountability. Accountability is the primary key to drive organizational success. It's a known fact that responsibility is the crucial aspect of organizational success. Also remember that personal accountability, organizational accountability and using accountability coaches will help achieve every goal. 8. Failure in execution. Execution helps you to achieve your goal. We plan many things but fail to execute them. Make sure you run the plans you build and go ahead. Focus on delivering the stuff to your customers, employees and other stakeholders by performing on your plans and tasks. 9. Refuse to take risks. Many organizations are bound to face severe challenges if they refuse to take risks. If we consider service industries like legal and accounting, which refuse to adapt to new changes, are battling technology and the decline of traditional business models. Remember one thing, business risks are financial risks and finding opportunities in new areas and creating new revenue systems. 10. Not maintaining standards. Do you ever hear of any automobile company which has zero safety standards? Most of the companies are not following standards as lack of measures leading to terrible consequences. Always remember to operate with high standards. It means you need to do best, expect the best and create a quality mindset as the basic level of acceptable standards in your organization. 11. Don't let people go on their way. Organization bullies are the people with strong positions in the organizations who get away with some cautions that undermine company standards. It's a challenging task for leaders to keep their organization culture free from these organizational bullies. Ensure that everyone who is a part of your company knows your values, culture you establish, and the organization goals. 12. Focusing much on competitors. Some organizations focus more on how their competitors are doing. It will be a do-or-die situation for many companies offering the same products or services in the market who have smaller customer base. If you focus more on your competition, you will be lagging behind as an innovative and out-of-the-box thinker. So, don't focus more on your competitors but play a mind game by making your products and services one-stop solutions for your customers and raising your standards. Final note. All these are some basic things that every entrepreneur should not to do in 2021. Still, there are many aspects where organizations should focus on and avoid practicing to achieve organizational growth and success. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.